Let us also pick flowers from the clinic.
Arukugambaho mushomo gwo kubangura abebembezi babeji ba Bishop Stewart University Vice Chancellor w'itendekereri azira abebembezi babeji bashemeye kuba bo mutano kandi hecho kurebera haha abandi.
Leading and developing others. Another one on the extreme right is leading the organization. In between is leading yourself. Personal qualities again. A leader should be able to lead others, show genuine concern for people, empowerment, enablement, being accessible. You encourage people, you develop them. But also you know the organization. You focus effort. You build networks for that organization.
Ogu hajira ngo buri tendekero rishemerere kutaho entebe kanisa yo kushomesa abebembezi babeji ekirukuza kuretera ihanga ryagira abebembezi bashongokere nyensya.
Nangwa tukakwetenga kende kaba kwa ntwenda kutandika academy ya student leaders general romu ihanga ryona. So nubasabira tubayambeho n'abembezi nshaka kuba ntubetani bijana ntuba traininga kunkana bone basa kutende ko kwa hibare kandi batweta ntubayambaho akwa turiyo muri kimwe tari competition hagati yitu turiyo muri kimwe twena ntwena ngo tuje tunga abembezi nyensya kandi na hati abakumanye cyo bakukora abakubasa kutwasa ukikirize ebyo amatendekero agahirwa shimwe kwandi gakora.
Umushomo ngogumwe Reverend Canon Asaf Kabacenga urukwebembere nshonga zabeji ahari Bishop Stewart University adirengo emishomo nkeji egenderire kutebekana sabembezi babeji okumanye bashemerere ko bano bakora.
Ekitwantu tugezeho kubegesa munonga no kureba umwebembezi ashemeye koraki kandi twantureba ngo umwebembezi wabeji ashemeye kuba aino buzare burungi na naba administration kureba ngo services zahika abeji kandi kushira munonga kureba ngo umwejo kuba nayebembera na wabe cyo kureberaho
bamwe habebembezi babeji abagambiraho na Tayari West bacoboraho kuba yakira kurungi hentebe kaniseji kandi kuniyo mugasho aharubo nko kuba rukushobora.
Skills that we have gained managerial skills, we have gained technical skills, we have got learning skills, we have learned how to manage finances.
Nkibayambaho kugira ngo babashe kumanya vision ya university na mission yayo kandi babashe ku aligninga nebi university rukwenda nabo nkabeji eba kubasa barukwenda kugira ngo hatabaho collision ninga si okutomeragana hagati ya university cyerukwenda nabeje kibarukwenda tubase kureba kutwa kubasa kwatagana na administration
na no kumanya nkito nkabebembezi twine college waza kuba mwebembezi oine kuba ine strategies oine kuba ine values habwenchi noenda kuba mwebembezi oine kuba ine reason habwenchi noenda kuba mwebembezi
gasha kwa Ian Akankwasa ahabwa Tayari West mulimbara.